How to set up the shipping settings on your Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to set up the shipping on your Shopify. So this is going to be including the countries, the zones that you want to ship to, and all of these things. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is going to be one of the basic things that you will need to go through. And by default, you're going to have two different things, the domestic one and also the international one. And we can just go ahead and set them up accordingly. So just go to settings from your Shopify admin. And then you basically want to head on over to the shipping and delivery. Now, if you want to set up a new profile for shipping for specific items, you can feel free to do so by clicking on new profile. But in most cases, you're not going to do that. You're just going to click on general shipping rates. Click on that and you will have two different things, like I said, which are going to be basically the domestic one, domestic zone, and the rates for it. And we also have the international zone and the rate for it. So here we can just go, let me remove this real quick. So by default, you're going to have the domestic one as, I believe, for free. So free shipping. So if you want to remove that and make it a flat rate instead, you can also just feel free to remove. And now you can just go ahead and add a rate to it. So we can just go ahead and add a rate by clicking on add rate right beneath the domestic one. And then from here, you just want to select the rate type, whether it's going to be flat rate or, it's going to be calculated by different apps. Now the shipping rate is going to be custom. And then the custom rate name is going to be flat rate or whatever. Let's just name it default or standard, like so. And then we also have the ability to add a description to it. So we can feel free to add that if you want. For example, ships next day seems nice. And then we can just go ahead and add the shipping amount. So in my case, I'm just going to add 30. And if you want to add conditional pricing, feel free to do so. Just click on that and you'll have the ability to even select the pricing conditions based on the weight of the item and also the order price. So you have these two different options to choose from. So for example, if you wanted to have based on order price, you can feel free to set it up to be minimum price, and it's going to be let's say 100. And then in that case, sorry about that, in that case, it's going to be free shipping, for example. So let's just go ahead and remove this to become free shipping and set it up to be free shipping. So now, basically, if you don't understand, now if someone pays 100 dirhams, it's going to be actually free shipping for them. So just go ahead and click on done. And then we can just go ahead and select, for example, another one, which is going to be clicking on add rate. And now it's just going to be the default one, which is going to be standard. Like I said, 30. Description and ships next day. And then here I'm just going to remove the conditions. Actually, I'm going to get back the conditions. And now it's going to be basically minimum price. It's going to be 89. Right? I did do 90, I believe. Okay, now it's going to be 99. There you go. So in this case, it's going to be 30 dirhams. If not, it's going to actually be free shipping. So same thing goes for the international one. So you can feel free to add rates to them. The default one is going to be something like this for you as well. So you can feel free to just click on edit rates, or feel free to even remove it or add a new one. So it's completely up to you. So yeah, this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.